Hi, this is Mrs. Harris, and I wanted to show you a few things about testing. So let's start off with what you're going to bring, and that's number 2 pencils, sharpened number 2 pencils. Do you see how this is a retractable lead pencil, and I'm not sure if it's a number 2 lead? I can't use that. Do you see how this pencil doesn't have an eraser, and what little it does of it, it's a dirty eraser? I can't really use that either. Okay, do you see how this pencil, it's clearly marked as a number 2 pencil. It has a great eraser, sharp point. Please bring 2 of these each day for testing. Okay, so what prompted this video is I had a few students who asked about the answer document and the testing booklet. So I wanted to show you a little demonstration of it. First, we're going to start off with the answer document. So this is an idea of what an answer document looks like. Your teacher in your room will walk you through each section. This you won't need to fill out, but they'll walk you through each section, and there is time allotted for each of these sections. If you have a student ID label here, you won't need to fill out this portion. If you don't have a label here, and I just wanted to briefly demonstrate this. So Harris is my last name, and do you see how I have in block letters 1 letter in each block? And your teacher will give you instructions on the testing day. Then you bubble each letter below the block, just like this. Because this, I'm serious when I say this, sometimes you feel like once you just complete this answer document, you can do anything. You can test, you can ace this, because this could be the hardest part of the test for you, is filling out this answer document. But there will be time allotted to fill out the document. And so inside the document, and again, you'll see this on testing day, there'll be each subject listed in the answer document, and you'll fill out a sample question as well. So I just wanted to show you, let's pretend like this is my test booklet, and I can write in my test booklet. I cannot have stray marks on my answer document, but on my test booklet, this is free game. So I want you to look at this first question. The student is in an art class, the students in an art class made 6 flowers. Each flower was made with 8 bottle caps as shown. So there's 8 bottle caps around to make this flower. Which expression represents the total number of bottle caps needed to make the flowers? So I went through this just a second ago. I thought, well, it can't be 8 divided by 6 because each flower has 8 bottle caps and there's 6 flowers. So I know it's going to be more than 8, and 8 divided by 6, whatever it is, it's going to be less than 8. Again, I'm going to X out 8 minus 6 because, again, I know it's going to be more than 8, and 8 minus 6 is definitely going to be less than 8. So I think it's either going to be A or C. I'm going to say I think it's C because I'm going to see 8 bottle caps 6 times. But it might be A, so I'm just going to do a question mark by A, and I'll come back to this one. And so because I think it's C is the correct choice, I'm going to go over here to the answer document, and I'm going to neatly bubble in the C. So do you see, here's my testing booklet, and I've really made a mess. I think it's this one. It might be this one. It's okay. I can mark all over this. But in this answer document, this gets turned into the state of Georgia. Everything has to be pristine. And so all I've done is neatly bubble in the letter C. And notice when I bubble, I just want to show y'all this. Like you can see in the sample bubble. Like I'll bubble in D incorrectly. Do you see how I just did a little dot? That will not count as bubbling in. If I do an X, that's not bubbling in. When you bubble in the full circle, the whole circle, and don't go outside the circle. So it's like it will hone your bubbling skills, your coloring skills. So I just wanted to give this brief demonstration so that you'll have an idea for what to expect on testing day with that answer document and the test booklet and the type of pencil to bring. So thank you for listening to this, and thank you for my lovely assistant, Anna.